Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this, chances are you need help resetting the password or unlocking the code for your Toyota NSZN-W68 radio. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing genuine feedback from one of our customers who had the same issue. After struggling with the radio lock code, they reached out to us for assistance, and we were able to help them reset the password and unlock their Toyota NSZN-W68 radio quickly and smoothly. We understand how frustrating it can be when you can't access your radio, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. With the right steps, you can unlock your NSZN-W68 radio and get back to enjoying your favorite tunes in no time. Our customers' positive feedback shows that we are the go-to experts for solving these radio lock code issues. If you're dealing with the same problem, follow along, and we'll walk you through the process step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any helpful guides like this one.